Dingle Crystal is one of the few places in Ireland where they make glass, and cut glass actually. This is one of the last remaining businesses that specializes in that area. So I decided to come over here and take a peek and learn a little bit. Let's go into this, see what's in here.
Designer from Waterford, Crystal, which I'm sure you've all heard of before. So we're from there originally. It's about 4 hours away from here. Dad left Waterford Crystal in the late 80s at a time when they started going down the road of offshoring their production abroad into mass production. He set up his own studio then outside Waterford City, and that was enough for it all everybody within the town and from other local businesses. So in 99 we relocated to Dingle, and we've been here ever since. We marked 25 years in.
Oh, such a cutie. Hi. Looks like a sheep, but it's actually a dog.
Wine goblets, martinis, and then we have whiskey glasses as well. So we have these large rolling tumblers, and then these small rolling tumblers, and these are popular as a wine glass as well. Solace, Blasket, Celtic Flame, Harkin Fuchsia, and Skellig. Now,
Office.
If you'd like to have one,
Merchandise.
we'll go through them all in a little bit more detail as well. I'll give you one there. There you go. There's more up here if you want to grab.
Some of these designs are actually very, very intricate, which is why they're so expensive. No noise. Demo time in the factory. Can't wait to learn.
With each design, each colour have its own little touch as well. So this is the first stage of the glass. I'm doing this design for the last 2 years now, and I know it inside out. This is just a guideline for me. So you just do the outline of the harp like this, and I'll be filling it in then once I do the outline. So that's pretty much nearly the glass marked up there, the outline of the harp, and then along the top here, I'm just doing a little stick on the top, and then bringing the fuchsia. So you see the fuchsia plant dotted all around the side of the rose and Dingle, and that'll be going on either side, the fuchsia on either side there. So all of the
Isn't that awesome?
So you see there, that's just the outline of the harp.
Wow.
So I'm going to fill all that in a second. I'm going to do the band on the top now. So we're going to put the fuchsias on either side. So I'll do that here. Finish off this cut.
This is the precision science.
That's just the pieces on either side on the harp. And the last wheel down there, we'll finish it off with a couple of round cuts on either side there. So I'm going to fill out the harp now. There's a lot of cuts on this, so it'll take me a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to put on a string. So see there, that's just the taro then. A lot of final cuts there. So then the last stage of the glass then, we just level it off on the table. We always put a star just right in the centre of the glass. So I'll do a 12-point star here for you now. And the purpose for it is just level it off. Because when it comes out in the mould, it might be level on the table, but this sorts it out. So a 12-point star I'll put on here. You can go very deep on the bottom of the glass. So you can see there, that's just a 12-point star then. First, just to level it off on the table. So we're going to see down to the next wheel down here. So this is just a flat cut wheel. The glass is already finished there. You can see there, not finished it off, that gives the round cut and look at the fuchsia. So I'm going to bring it down here. I'm just going to wash off the...
Now he's going to wash the glass off. Watch and wait for the finished product. Look at that. It's actually very heavy and pretty.
Yeah, in fact you can see the greyness on this. It just basically shows you and the acid, the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Just a little bit cheaper. This is why you want to
Finished product in my hand. It's actually very heavy.
So when they're actually low,
But look at the intricacy.
first the gold,
Isn't this
golden
beautiful?
glass, onto this, straight into the mold, go.
Yeah.
And then you get the dessert sheet. This
Look at all these products.
again, you get all the shards of glass off. This is done with that thing. So you just feather on the inside like that, on the outside. Every single blank.
I was just saying, there's so few cutters. Like the lads who were trained as cutters in Watermark Challenge, probably the last man standing.
Years actually, yeah. When you look at all
50 years.
yeah.
Take one more look at the pieces of equipment that are used. You can see this man hard at work. He's doing exactly what the demonstrator did. Carving and cutting the glass. Different patterns. They got tools for smoothing. They got tools for cutting. It's made of diamond. Right here. Very hard. And you can see one that's in operation. This is the one that was used for demonstration. It is most definitely a precision science. This is not something that can be done in an approximate manner. Look at this bowl. This is one example of a very complex design. It's rough and sharp for the hand, and it's second nature to these people. But like everything else, it's a skill. It's not easy. It's just that these people have been doing it for so long, it's second nature to them, and they make it look easy. They even have a section for colored or stained glass. Look at that. There is so much skill, history, time, and money involved in this particular project. And there's not much room for error, because once a pattern has been cut into the glass, it's very, very hard to salvage mistake or damage done.
Dingle whiskey distillery bottle. So these are the bottles when they're finished. When the candle is gone, you can burn tea lights in them, and they look really nice.
Now you know why they're so
So
expensive.
folks, also then this year, Day, the Irish government presents the US President with a crystal bowl of shamrock, and I've been given the task to make that every year. Last year I was in the White House myself, and so I visited that was the highlight of my career, to be invited to the White House, folks. So if you follow me out here to the workshop, you'll see the cutting.
Oh, they got two dogs now. Who let the dogs out?
He's a golden doodle. Yeah.
It's a golden doodle.
Looks kind of white.
Some more glass for display. Different kinds of glass. Very fine quality. As you can see, even the President of the United States orders some of these glasses.
Yeah, I mean, the lower tail.
From the factory back to the exhibition room. Even these beautiful chandeliers are made in this shop, compiled and assembled meticulously. Wow. After a fantastic demo and explanation of this place, it's time to say goodbye. Hopefully visit again soon. Thank you, man. Let's leave the place. Leaving out the door. Now with some maps of the area. It's time for me to walk out the main door, carrying some knowledge and good memories with me. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video of this beautiful place. Dingle Crystal Workshop, situated a few miles to the northwest of the town of Dingle in County Kerry in Ireland, is one of few remaining crystal workshop factories in the country of Ireland. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and would like to see more like these, then please feel free to navigate to my page, find the subscribe button in the top right corner, and click on it. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon.